What is a sand dune and how does it form? Imagine a vast stretch of land where the wind seems to dance across the surface, shaping the ground into gentle hills and sharp ridges. That's what a sand dune is, a natural sculpture made by wind and sand working together. Sand dunes are hills or ridges composed of tiny loose sand grains that have been pushed and piled up by the wind over time. They are common in deserts and along coastlines where there is plenty of loose sand and strong, steady winds. The process begins when wind picks up loose sand particles from the ground. When the wind blows across a sandy area, it carries the grains through the air. As the wind slows down, it drops the sand in certain spots, especially where there are obstacles like rocks or plants that block the wind's flow. These spots act like natural traps for the sand. Over time, more and more sand collects in these sheltered areas, forming a small mound. As the mound grows larger, the wind continues to blow sand up the gentle slope on the windward side. When the sand reaches the top, the wind's speed drops, causing the grains to fall down the steeper side, which is called the leeward side. This process makes the dunes slowly move in the direction the wind blows. Sand dunes come in many shapes and sizes. Some are long and narrow, called longitudinal dunes, running parallel to the wind. Others are big and star-shaped with many arms spreading out in different directions, known as star dunes. There are also transverse dunes, which are long ridges perpendicular to the wind, and parabolic dunes, U-shaped with vegetation anchoring the arms. Each type forms under different wind conditions and sand supply. In coastal areas, dunes often start around objects like plants or rocks that slow the wind and help the sand settle. As plants grow on the dunes, they help hold the sand in place, making the dunes more stable and taller. These natural barriers protect inland areas from strong winds and waves, acting like shields for nearby land. Understanding how sand dunes form helps us see how Earth's surface is constantly changing. They are important features of deserts and wetlands, providing habitats for unique plants and animals that thrive in sandy, dry environments. Learning about dunes can be fun and interactive. Students can visit local dunes if they are nearby, build models of dunes in a sandbox, or watch how wind moves sand in a controlled setting. Seeing these natural processes in action helps us appreciate the power of wind and the beauty of Earth's landforms.